Let us understand what is Aero Peek. Okay, so take your mouse towards taskbar, click right click, properties, now here you see that preview desktop with Aero Peek. Now what is this Aero Peek for? It is a temporarily view the desktop when you move your mouse to show the desktop button at the end of the taskbar. For example, if I open some of the programs, some of the more programs are open. My computers are, network is there, recycle is there. So many windows are open over here. WordPad is open. So many windows are open over here. And here you will see at the end corner here, this is your desktop, show desktop over here. So now here your taskbar property is open. So suppose for example, if I click here and I say apply over here and OK, and here you will see that how many programs are open over here, and if you click here, all your programs get minimized immediately at one time. If you click here again, you will get all your program open. So if you take your mouse towards that location, you will find that some of the programs are opened over here. If you click here, it will minimize all your program on your taskbar. Again, if you click here, you will get back again. And suppose for example, if you want to jump onto one window to another window, what you have to press your window button from the keyboard and press tab button. Just press the tab button. So whichever window you want, you will get like this. You want, just leave here. Leave your hand. Again, window button, tab button. Reverse, if you want to go, you have to press window button, shift button and tab. So this is reverse. Calculator. Now your calculator is the current program. See, this way you can jump on and you can see that the front window is active window. So Aero Peek is nothing but as many as windows if you want to open and you want to play with the various windows, you can play with the windows. So this was your Aero Peek. It is a wonderful tool given by the Windows 7 operating system. Okay, so this was your Aero Peek. So here we complete our today's session. Thank you very much.